Hello world. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
They still don't know what truck we're in. Oh wait, maybe they
probably
do.
Tell.
Well, I was trying to hide the steering wheel, but I think I failed.
You can probably tell.
Yeah.
Anyways, we are in the new truck. Now, I kind of explained in the last video why we bought this truck. Because they're on sale. Obviously, there's like crazy sales going on right now because no one wants to buy brand new vehicles. So we kind of took advantage of that because we knew we were going to buy this truck anyways. We just didn't know it's going to be this soon. Now, I'll go into the details of this truck specifically later on, but I wanted to get back into a diesel. I've had a diesel before. I didn't like it. It was a Ram diesel. It didn't ride that well. And it was just overkill for my setup. Now, towing a lot more this past year with the Mustang, I really kind of missed having the ease of having a diesel. Like, it just tows so much better and so much smoother, and it gets better miles per gallon. So, nothing was wrong with the Ram, but it's just so much easier on a diesel. Plus, then it allows me to get an enclosed trailer eventually because my Ram there's no way it would pull an enclosed trailer with a car in it. I'm sure people do it, but no way. So, we're going to tell them what it is.
Sure.
So this is a 2020 F250 6.7 liter Power Stroke with the 10-speed transmission, the 10R80, so the 10-speed that's in the Mustang. I'm sure it's a little different. I'm sure it's a little beefed up. I don't know. I haven't looked that much into it, honestly. But I really wanted a Platinum originally. Like I always say, I want a Platinum, but I can never just justify the cost of a Platinum. They're just so much more expensive. But I did get the Lariat with the Sport Appearance package, so the bumpers are paying to match. This is the iconic silver, which
we're calling it the Silver Bullet.
Silver Bullet, according to Kennedy. But yeah, we were originally going to get the white because I think the white always looks really good. But Kennedy and I went shopping for trucks not too long ago, and we saw the iconic silver, and boy, iconic silver looks so good. Especially with the black. Especially with the blacked out package. So I think the white with the blacked out kind of looks cheap, and some of the blacked out stuff, like you can't see the design very well because it's so dark, but the silver with the black looks so good. I don't even want to do anything to this truck besides tint it darker. It's already got black wheels, black grille, and what's cool about the 2020 is in the 2019 when you got the blacked out package, they'd give you like the cheap halogen headlights. This one has the nice LEDs with the little strip around it, and their blacked out housings, all blacked out badges. It just looks killer. Obviously, the Ford on the inside, nothing has changed. Like it has all the functionality of any of the new vehicles. It just doesn't have the cool looking screen or background that like the Ram or even the new GMC has. So, but I kind of like it just for the simplicity. I don't know. I really like it. I like more simple stuff. That's just how I am. I don't need like the big flashy stuff. I like the simple. It works and it's got everything I need. Now, one weird thing, which I didn't realize this, I guess this is a SuperDuty thing, is you still use a key. Like all the F-150s are...
Move your hand.
All the F-150s have a push button to start, but I guess not the SuperDuty.
It's weird.
And maybe they do it, I don't know, I'll have to look it up. Maybe they do it in the Platinum.
You're like Joe.
Joe's GMC has a key. But yeah, that was odd. What was the other odd thing we just figured out?
Doesn't have front sensors.
Yeah, it doesn't have front sensors. It has lane keep assist, lane departure, blind spot monitoring, rear backup sensors, obviously with the camera navigation, but it doesn't have front sensors. I guess that's like the next package.
Maybe we just didn't get close enough.
No, it doesn't have front sensors.
No,
it doesn't have front sensors. Trust me. I'm going to show it on the screen. But yeah, and it's got like the B&O, which is like the upgraded stereo. I think you can also get like a Sony. Don't quote me on this stuff. I haven't looked into Fords that much. I just know like the basics, and I really like the way they look. But yeah, people may say why I went back to a Ford. I don't know.
You always go back to Ford.
I bought one F-150. It was my first Ford vehicle ever, like car, truck, anything, and I absolutely loved it. I don't know, it was my favorite truck. I think my gray F-150 is still one of my favorite trucks. And then I had a white F-150, which was a 10-speed, and that one was awesome. And then now the F250. The F250 has always been like the dream truck for me. Like, yeah, it's not a Platinum or a King Ranch, whatever, but I don't need all that. I just wanted, like, F250 is just, you know, it's just that truck you always want.
Oh my gosh.
So I loved my F150s, but I didn't want to go back to a gas truck, especially because the EcoBoost is not that good on gas mileage when you're towing. So, and I want to eventually get an enclosed trailer, so this truck will be perfect for that. And like with this truck, like I never have to upgrade. Like this is the truck, you know. So F250.
The truck. Super Duty.
Super Duty. So I'll go over some of the specs in another video. Some of the things I like, some of the things I don't like. But this is the 2020 F250 Lariat Sport Appearance Package. With everything blacked out. Iconic silver. Bed liner's already done.
Nice.
I mean, it's got some really cool features. It's got everything I need. Like I said, there's other things you can get, but it's got everything I need.
Yeah, and you'll be trading it in 6 months. So.
I'll probably trade it in 6 months to a year because that's what I do. But it rides so nice. It drives amazing. It literally rides better than my Ram 1500. And it's a diesel. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Kennedy always likes Fords.
Yeah.
Although the new Rams have really grown on you.
I like the inside of the Rams.
I do like the inside of the Rams too, but I don't know, something about the Fords, the way they drive, every time I drive one, I'm like, man, I need to get back in a Ford. So I'm really excited to have it, and look forward to more videos on it.
Yeah.
And this is what the F250 looks like from the passenger side. Shout out Kennedy for driving. So I drove pretty much all the way to Dallas this morning while Ken Dog slept. Co-pilot Ken. So yeah, we left at like 4 a.m. this morning, drove all the way to Dallas, picked up the truck, and literally got some food and head back, and I was pretty tired, so I had Kennedy drive, and this thing takes pretty good naps. These seats are super comfortable. So hopefully you guys enjoy the new truck, and I have some videos coming on the truck, and obviously some updates on the Mustang, and we got a lot of fun stuff planned for the Mustang actually over the next few weeks. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if this is the truck that you would have got. And let me know what you guys think of the color. Like I said, I'm gonna do like a really detailed video on the truck, but I'll show you guys the outside of the truck here in just a second. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below, hit that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Babe, what? Next video, be doing stuff on the Mustang, don't worry. So guys, it is Sunday, really excited about the truck. I'm actually gonna start towing with it today, so I'm really excited to see how it does. It should tow this car with an open trailer, no dang problem. But it is iconic silver, all black leather. Kennedy's making loud noises back there. She's grabbing the straps to strap down the Mustang today because we are taking it out today to the track. But you guys will see that in a couple videos. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the truck. I'm really excited about it. It is a 2020 F250 Lariat. And I forgot to film some clips during the day of the outside, so you guys kind of got to see like an outside, when it's really dark out, preview. But I'll do some more videos on the F250. Like I said, it's a 2020 Lariat Sport Appearance Package. And it's got the blackout package, so the bumpers are painted to match, which you probably couldn't tell in the video. And then everything is blacked out, the grille, the headlights, the wheels, all the badges. It looks super good. It was already tinted from the dealership, so I want to get it re-tinted. I don't know what else I want to do with the truck because I really like how it looks, and it came from the factory pretty well equipped. So there's some, like I said, little things I don't like, but there's a lot of things I do like, and it's kind of like my dream truck. Kennedy, what do you think?
It's your dream truck.
She's tired. Kennedy is not a morning person, but she's being a trooper. So like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the truck. There's gonna be some few videos coming on it so you guys can see if you are interested in one of those. But I think one of my favorite things before I close the video out is when you get a 2019 blackout package, they give you like the halogen, cheaper looking headlights. With the 2020 blackout package, they give you those nice LEDs with the ring around it, and that's like the headlights I've always wanted. I've never had an F250, but I've had a few F150s, and I never got the package where it had the nice LED lights with the ring around it, so that's probably like one of my favorite features. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of the truck. If you would have got a different color, let me know what color. But if you aren't already, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. That should be cool. Got all my blessings. I feel like